everybody, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the SketchBox Premium Box for July. We have a lovely painting of a toucan on the outside of the box by Denise Wolverton, and you can check out her Instagram at dlwolverton. We have another piece by Nikolai Shaver right inside. And as always, we have our nice little menu that lets us know what's going on. The first item in this month's box is some Tom Norton Walnut Drawing Ink. The retail price for this is normally $10.49, and it is a staff favorite. This month is all about walnut ink. This is our first time shipping walnut ink, and we couldn't be more excited about it. While the word walnut might imply that it contains actual walnuts due to their acidity, it has a negative effect on the ability to not fade over time. Tom Norton Walnut Drawing Ink is made with artist-grade pigments, not walnuts, and is both light-fast and acid-free. Due to some COVID-19 related supply issues, you may notice a different shaped bottle than the one pictured here. This applied fairly smoothly, it seemed to layer okay, and like with any ink, you can use quite a bit of water or not very much at all. The following item is a set of markers, specifically some Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pens in sepia. And the retail price for this is normally $13.25. This set contains one pen in each of 4 sizes: superfine, fine, medium, and brush. The pigmented India ink pairs really well with the walnut ink this month. I've used these markers before. I have them in a couple of different colors from other boxes. I think it'll be nice to have a brown liner since I don't have any. I can see them as being pretty versatile in other projects. Next we have a Copic Chow marker in Caribe Cocoa. The retail price for this is normally $5.49, and this is a staff favorite. Simply put, one of the best brush nibs ever to be featured in an illustration marker. We chose this color to complement the walnut ink. So far, lots of brown. And I always like Copic Chow markers. The following item, we have a Cretacolor Artist Pencil set, and the retail price for this is normally $7.75. Cretacolor Artist Pencils are highly pigmented pencils for increased light fastness. They are perfect for traditional sketching, drawing, smudging, and mixing. In this set, we have another sepia color. It's pretty close in shade to the marker, just in pencil form. I'm kind of concerned with how much brown we have going on, in that there's really not a lot of difference in the colors. We also have a white in this pencil set and a black. The white seemed to layer over the other things okay. I used it over the ink and the other markers. The black one, the lead seemed to break pretty easily. It's fairly frail. It did seem to layer okay. And if you mix these in, I'm sure you can get some differentiation in hue. I just wish that I had some more colors going on. We have another marker. It is a Tombow Mono Drawing Pen in 0.5 millimeters. The retail price for this is $2.89. This is just in black. A dependable fine liner from one of our favorite brands for outlining your walnut ink illustrations this month. It seems to be a decent black liner. Woohoo! They did give us a brush to use the ink with. It is a silver brush, silver white, round number 4 brush. And the retail price for this is normally $6.40. This versatile round brush keeps a needle point, which is great when working with the walnut ink. I did use this brush for the swatches of the ink that we saw earlier in this video, and I thought it worked fairly well. And last but not least, we have some paper. This is the paper I've been using this entire time to swatch. This is some fluid 4x6 cold-pressed watercolor paper, and the retail price for it is normally $7.61. Fluid is a heavyweight paper that can withstand heavy washes. Ink lifts more easily from the surface than when using a tree-based paper, so you have more control. This paper does feel fairly thick, nice and heavy, and it has a good gripping texture to it. It works pretty well for the swatches, and I do have a feeling it'll work well for a lot of layers. We will see later how well it works in a project, though. Those are all the items that came in this month's Sketchbox. I am a bit concerned about it being just brown, I'm not really sure what to do with it. Even when using brown, I like mixing in a bunch of other colors. I usually use yellows, reds, blues, purples, and occasionally greens. I think these are all very close together color-wise, and I think it's gonna make things a little difficult for a project, but we will see. But with that, this video is pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, or you've used any of the items that came in this month's box, please let me know all about it in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do SketchBox unboxing videos once a month. I do want to take this time to thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!